2 pumps. Both flaps look good. Mixture is going full rich. Throttle's at 1,000. Carb heat is off. Vent is where I want it. I want all of my lights on for takeoff. My fuel pump on. Eyes on the pressure. Finger on the switch. Pressure climbs. Fuel flow stays the same. Fuel pump on. Mags are on both. All of this is set. I'm going to switch over to power. And we're going to double check ourselves with our pre-takeoff flow. Flaps, fuel pump, mixture, carb heat. Gas spin bugs are good. Belts, doors, and windows. I'm going to close this. Crosswind, not much to speak of. Abort plan we already did. Okay, pre-takeoff checklist complete. All right, we're going to talk to tower. We're on 1209. Troutdale Tower, Mooney 1916 Yankee, Alpha 7, ready for departure. Staying in the pattern.
Mooney 1916 Yankee, Troutdale Tower. Wind calm, runway 25, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
Runway 25, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic, 1916 Yankee. Okay, just checking this turn coordinator, ball deflects, wings turn.
Troutdale Tower, Bonanza 8420 number is 10 miles.
We're looking at downwind, we're looking at base, we're looking at final, looks all clear.
November 8420, November, Troutdale Tower, traffic 6 o'clock, 1 mile, mid-channel, westbound, altitude 2,600, mix straight in, runway 25.
I think I passed that traffic, 20 November, straight in, runway 25.
Okay, lined up on runway 25, 525. Get our nose wheel straight. We're gonna go up to 50 horsepower. Checking EGTs, CHTs, RPM, oil temperature is good, oil pressure, fuel pressure is low, but that's fine. 9 gallons an hour, that looks right. All right, feet off the brakes. Takeoff power set. Speed alive. Oh, that's a lot of birds. Hello. Holy moly. Come on now, birds.
Wow-wee.
Jeez. Okay, gonna let the trim do the work. Climbing at 76.
Okay, we got 0 fuel pressure, but good fuel flow. We'll keep an eye on it. Ready to fly at this point.
Stratix has disconnected.
Runway heading. Flaps are coming up. And starting our crosswind. A little low for our crosswind, but they like our left traffic. We're looking clearing traffic. Keep climbing in the turn. I think I might make this landing a full stop just to make sure those birds are...
And we'll let this fuel pressure rectify itself too.
I agree. Climb in. We could make the field back now if we had to. Okay.
Mooney 1916 Yankee, wind calm, runway 25, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 25. It'll actually be a full stop for 16 Yankee.
Mooney 16 Yankee, runway 25, clear to land.
Cleared to land, runway 25 for 1916 Yankee.
Bonanza 20 November, make a right 360 for spacing.
Okay, we're at pattern altitude.
20 number.
Throttle slowly. Okay, 2200 RPM, 90 knots. in the white arc. Beam the numbers, we're 1,000 feet, so carb heat's coming out. Throttle's coming back to 1800. And we're getting flaps down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flaps full, flaps full. There's 70. I'll let the nose come down. There's 7, 10. Trim. 78 knots. Not descending very well. 400 feet a minute. Okay, we feel high, so I'm going to get even more power up. Gonna turn base. Shallow bank, we're at 75 knots.
Troutdale Tower, helicopter 8340 at the south Toma information point, requesting present position, southeast departure.
Now we're descending nicely.
Atlanta 20 November, wind, calm runway 25, clear to land number 2 following to Mooney on a 1 mile left base. Reduce speed.
C Mooney, number 2, clear to land, runway 25, 20 number.
Helicopter 8340 Sierra, Troutdale Tower, departure from the south cone will be at your own risk, wind calm, maintain V4 out of below 1,200 until 3 miles south.
Departure from the south cone at my own risk, VFR out of below 1,500, 40 Sierra.
Helicopter 40 Sierra, maintain V4 out of below 1,200, 1,200 until 3 miles south.
1,200, 40 Sierra.
70 knots. We got 1 red. 9 knots. Got a little bit of power because we're sinking. 70 knots. 3 red. I milked it in. Okay, now power is coming to idle. Lots of birds. Holy.
Good Lord.
Mooney 16, thank you. These going to be full stop taxi backs.
For this one, we will. We're troubleshooting an issue. Then it will hopefully be close pattern.
Mooney 16, thank you, Roger. Turn right Alpha 3, taxi 2, parking via Alpha. Correction, taxi runway 25 via Alpha. Mark ground point 8.
Off at Alpha 3, taxi via Alpha back to 25, monitor ground point 8. Thanks. For 16 Yankee.
Troutdale Tower, Bonanza 8420 number, will be taxiing to the South Hangar City.
Bonanza 20 November, Roger.
And Tower, there's lots of birds between 2.5 and the 1,000-foot markers. It's 1916 Yankee.
Bonanza 20 November, you copy?
Copy 20 number.
Mooney 16 Yankee, pass hold, short bars.
Roger for 16 Yankee.
Job.
Okay. Pressure's back reading. Cleaned up. So flaps are coming up. Ground lean, cowl flaps are open. Carb heat's going off. Fuel pump's coming off.